Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will start working on the header component, but first let's create the photos component. So inside the profile folder, I'll create a new file and name it as photos.js, hit enter, and here I'll do RAFCE. Let me do it again, RAFCE, and press tab, okay. P should be capital. Let me just save this, and here I'll destructure the prop which is called photos. Okay, save this, go back to index.js, and here I'll take a component which I've created, photos. Okay, so it is auto imported photos, and here we are going to pass props. Okay, the photos, that is going to be a photos collection. Let's close this. Okay, so now this is done. Now let's start working on the header component. So here we will pass some props. So the first one is conditional. So photos count equals to photos collection. Okay, if this is true, then photos collection dot length, or if this is not true, then it will we will pass 0. Okay, then the second prop is profile, that is going to be profile. Then followers count, that is equal to followers count. Okay, set followers count, that is equal to dispatch. Let me just save this. So now all these props are done, and now let's import one more thing here. So let's go to header.js. We need to import one more thing here. So that is going to be import use user. Okay, we need this use user from dot slash hooks slash use user. Okay, let me just save this, and here I'll restructure the props. So the first one is photos count, then the second one is profile, that is equal to an object doc id, that is going to be profile doc id, user id, that is going to be profile user id. Okay, then the next one is full name, then we have followers, then we have following, then we have username, that is going to be profile username. Okay, save this. Then what else we have? We need followers count. So followers count, or follower count. Let me just check. Okay, it's follower count. Okay, so let's go here, follower count. Then what else we need? Set follower count. Set follower count. Okay, save this. And now here I'll take a const, and here I'm going to say user, that is going to be logged in user. Okay, equals to use context. Okay, we need use context as well. So I'll just, let's see if it is auto imported. Okay, here it is, use context, and here I'll pass user context. Okay, we need the user context as well, so it is auto imported. Okay, so now this is done. Then what else we need? We need a const user, that is equal to use user logged in user question mark uid. Okay, let me just save this. Then we need a use effect. Okay, so before the return, I'll take a use effect. and inside I'll say const is logged in user following profile. Okay, so if logged in user is following profile, this is the variable name. So I'll take an async function. Here I'll say const is following equals to await is user following profile. Okay, so this sorry, is user following profile. So this method we need to create in the Firebase. Okay, is user following profile, and here I'll pass user dot username profile dot user ID. Sorry, this should be okay. This should be inside. So this is something like this. Now, okay. Then what else we need? Then after this, I'll just say set is following profile and double exclamation is following. Okay, so what double exclamation do is it converts it this into boolean. Okay, a non-boolean into a boolean. Okay, so now what else is remaining? So then we require a if condition that if user question mark dot, this is a null check. Okay, username and profile user ID, then we need to run this function, and here I'll say user question mark dot username dot sorry comma profile user ID. Okay, let me just save this. Now let's add the prop types. So header dot prop types equals to photos count, that is going to be prop types dot number dot is required. Okay, follower count, that is going to be prop types number dot is required. Then we need set follower count equals to prop type dot function. Okay, so func dot is required. Then we have profile, that is going to be prop type dot shape doc ID, that is going to be prop types dot string. Okay, and now I'll duplicate this. So we need doc type, user ID, full name, username, followers, and following. Okay, so this will be user ID. This is again string. Then we need full name. Okay, then we need username. Then we need followers. Then we need following. Okay, here I'll say is required. Okay, let me save this. So this is done. Okay, here it says this is not defined. Okay, in the future lectures we will be using it, but as of now let's keep as it is. Now what else is remaining? Okay, we need to create a function, which is this one. Profile user ID. Profile user ID is not defined. Profile user. Okay, fine. That we will see. That we'll see. But first, let's create the function. Okay, so here I'll say export async function is user. Let me just copy the name of the function. Okay, so here I'll pass logged in user, logged in user, username, logged in username, correct? Logged in user, it should be logged in user. Let me check in my document once. Okay, so it is user, username. Okay, profile, user ID, and here I'll say const result await Firebase dot Firestore dot collection, that is going to be users dot where username is equal to logged in username dot where following array contains, okay, array contains profile user ID, profile user ID. Okay, then dot get, let me just save this. So this is done. Now we'll take one more const, and here I'll take an array which is response, because I have taken the array because we will get the response in an array. So this is an object equals to result dot docs dot map item dot item dot data doc id, that is going to be item dot id. Okay, let me just save this. Okay, why it is giving me error? Response equals to result dot doc map. Okay, here I need one more round bracket. Save this, and here I'll say return response dot user ID. Okay, let me just save this. So this is done. Now we need to import this. Okay, so let me just go back on header, and here I'll say import is following from dot slash services slash, okay, dot slash services slash Firebase. Okay, let me just save this. This is done, but still this will give some errors, so that will resolve in the coming up lectures. But as of now, the header is done this much. Yeah, this way we will get an error, but soon we will fix this in the coming up lectures. So I'll be stopping this video here only because this will be very lengthy then. We will start continue working on the header component in the next video as well. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.